Good morning, everybody. It is 7:52. We just woke up. Charlotte did not sleep all night long. I was good for the last 3 nights, which is awesome. But she's just been super clingy to me lately, which is totally fine. She's just going through a spurt. I think she's getting her 6th tooth, you guys. Like, they're all coming at once. It's just crazy. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some coupons printed. I gotta go get my newspaper outside, and then I'm hoping to be out. Yeah, I will. I'm hoping to be out the door by 9 o'clock. I'm just going to go to Walgreens and CVS today, not much. And then we're going to have some family fun today. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah? Oh, thank you. Thank you. So, I will catch you guys back in a little bit. Miss Charlotte's just going to be my little princess, aren't you? Yeah? Good. So, I will see you guys back in a little bit. We'll have a nice, successful day today. Hey you guys, so it is currently 9:22. Graham doesn't understand I want to get going, so it takes me about 10, 15, probably 12 minutes to get here. So I am at Walgreens right now. You know what's funny is I got my inserts. They suck, you guys. Like, they totally suck. But I did notice that Walgreens no longer has an ad. This is what I got in my newspaper today, you guys. So, just giving you a heads up, but they do have the barcode for the 10 times everyday points. So, I did hear that they are getting rid of their weekly ad. It's online, so, which I'm totally fine with, but it just kind of sucks when you want to look at the ad, and then you also need to look for a coupon deal or something, so, but we'll adjust. We've been adjusting for the last couple years, but I'm going to run inside, and I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Hey, you guys, so, it is finally 12:43. I wanted to be home by noon, but it just wasn't happening. I was having problems at CVS, and Graham rushes me, and so it's like, Graham, just let me take my time. Let me do what I want. Well, when are you coming home? When are you coming home? When are you coming home? This is the one day where I get to go out in public without the kids. So that's how it is. But I'm gonna go home. I gotta see what he messaged me about, because he constantly wants to he wants me to get him food or whatever. So I'm gonna call him, but I will catch you guys back when I get home. Hopefully I get these videos put up by 2 o'clock. It's not gonna happen, because that's what always happens. It takes me forever to upload these videos, but I will catch you guys back in a bit. Hey you guys, so it is, what time is it? 3 o'clock? It's 3:08. Graham and Ben went for a walk. They went for a hike. I don't know when they'll be back, how long they'll be gone. I don't know. I should probably find out. I just put Charlotte down to bed for a nap. I still have to post my CVS video, but I need to walk away from my computer. I have 2 options that I want to do. I either just want to sit down and watch TV and just relax. Otherwise, I have to clean, or I was just going to go to my neighbor's house and see if I could borrow their dolly and bring all the totes in, because they'll sit in the garage for a long time, because that's how Graham rolls. But I'm 75% saying I should just go see if they're outside. If they're outside, I'll see if I can borrow the dolly real quick and then bring all the totes and boxes inside. But it's like, I really want to sit back and relax, but I just can't. I got so much stuff to do, you guys. So much stuff. It's like, I just don't get a break. I don't. The weather's gorgeous, but it's like, I just got to get some stuff done. So I'm going to bring the boxes in real quick, then finish my CVS video, and hopefully Charlotte's still sleeping. She takes a short nap in the afternoon, so we will see how it goes. But I just want to relax. I want to do my cup, but I just want to relax more than anything. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is just go get to the neighbor's house. I don't know, you guys, like, I like couponing and stuff, but then, like, when I come home, the fact that I gotta do the video and, like, I gotta rush to do that, because a lot of you guys shop on Sundays, I just feel so rushed, and it's like, I just want to take my sweet time, but I shouldn't. I don't know, you guys. Like, Sundays, I love Sundays, but I also dread Sundays the most, because it's a lot of work, you know. If you guys watch me, I left my house at, like, noon, and it's already 3 o'clock, and I still just posted my 2nd Walgreens video. Like, it does take a lot of time. But that is what I'm going to work on right now. I'm going to go see if my neighbor's home, and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, you guys. So now it is 3:47. All the boxes are inside the all the boxes are in the basement. All the totes are in the basement. They're all organized and all set up in a pile. So we got that. I now need to clean the kitchen. So I'm out of breath again. It's because I'm just like super power walking, and I need some water. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the trash gonna grab a thing of trash because it's trash day tomorrow. I'm gonna empty the dishwasher and then just kind of pick up, load the dishwasher, hand wash some dishes. So hopefully I can get all that stuff done before Miss Charlotte wakes up, and then I'll be okay because then I can get other stuff done. Still need to do my CVS video, but I want to get this stuff done real quick. So yeah, I went to Culver's today, you guys. That's so good. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll catch you guys back in a little bit. Hey you guys, so it is now 9:14. Charlotte went to bed. Ben's in bed. Graham's laying down with him. But yeah, I don't know what is going on right now. I'm just gonna sit and relax. I'm probably gonna jewel some stuff. But I just made an order for my jewels, for my cups. So we'll see how those turn out. I'm gonna make one for a friend, make one for my mom, and then we'll see. I'm just gonna make some ones for fun, so we'll see how those go. But I cleaned this cup, you guys. Like I washed it, and for me washing it, it is so much shinier. Like it's just a whole lot shinier than what it was. And I'm like, sweet. So I'm gonna take a video of this tomorrow in the sunlight, but it's just so much shinier. It's just so pretty. I love it, you guys. Love it. And then I gotta make some other cups for you guys too, but this week I don't know what it is. I can finally just like sit back and relax. I'm gonna take a break on, like, you know, hardcore cleaning because the rumor still just kind of really wore me out, which is totally fine. I'm gonna start watching 13 Reasons Why. I started watching it last night and then I had to stop, so I watched like 10 minutes of it. But that's how that's going. But I'm just, you know, gonna just relax for the night. That's all I want. But it is 9:16. I still have to upload this video, so I'm hoping to be in bed by like 10:30. I should go to bed right now, but I'm like, no, I just want to have time to myself. So, but that's pretty, you know, that's okay. But, you know, I had a nice kind of relaxing Sunday. Sundays just wear me out because of all the couponing stuff. But funny thing is, I did put all the totes back. Yeah, I told you guys about that. I put all the totes back. Graham got home, didn't even notice it. Like, nothing. He didn't notice the huge 2 piles of boxes and totes completely gone. So I says, Graham, let's go put the boxes away. He's like, okay, go downstairs. You know, I had to ask him like 3 times. Let's go put the boxes away. Because I says, when do you want to pull in the car? Oh, I'll just wait later on this week. Like, that's just how, that's why the things in my house don't get the way they are. I'm so used to it. That's why I've given up. You know, there's no point for me to constantly just keep up after it. But, and which is totally fine, you know. We adjust to each other. But I'm like, yeah, Graham, let's go put the box away. Oh, I don't want to. No, let's go put some away. You don't have to do all of them. Let's do all of them. So all of a sudden, I'm like downstairs waiting for him, and he's like, you tricked me. You brought them all in. But I didn't tell him how I brought them all in. He thinks I carried them all individually down the stairs. I'm like, yeah, I carried 30 boxes downstairs by myself. Yeah. So there's even more empty boxes downstairs than what I thought there was. So yeah, that going on. I did do a basement video, but yeah, I'm just tired. I want to sit and relax, just watch some TV. That's all I want to do. And I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. I have no idea what we're doing tomorrow. So that's that, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.